to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the buying call? They say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. What's there to answer to what in this cruel life? Ain't there nothing else around here but you inside? Thank you. 'Cause they say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. Sabi ko ba yun, Sam? Gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. So I sing that song to all of my age. These are the questions we've gotta face. One in this cycle that we call life. We are the ones who are next in the line. We are next in line. What's up? What is life to offer me when I go alone? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? 'Cause they say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. You gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age. With these other questions we've gotta face. In this cycle that we call life, we are the ones who are next in line. If we are next in line. Thank you, Diwacha. Oh, we are next in line. And we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open your eyes and do whatever it takes. We gotta work, and we gotta feel. Let's open your eyes. Oh, sing this song to all of my age. Could these are the questions we gotta face. For in this cycle that we call life, we are the ones who are next in line. Wow! Tamad! Thank you po! Salamat! Thank you so much also, Ate Wacha. Thank you, Tamers! Wow! Wow! You're a great singer! Thank you so much po, Ma'am Tamers. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you always. Thank you, thank you. Salamat! Grabe naman yun! Salamat po! Ay,